The whatever filter the refrigerator uses.
Oh yeah, the footer is gonna come up from here.
Yeah,
So just gotta wait.
yeah.
As soon as the water comes on the top of the hose, it's come up. When it's go a little bit lower there, it just stop.
Oh,
Yeah, when you wait a couple of hours, just maybe use that one temporary. It should be okay. Because that's how we used it before.
okay.
Should be okay. Just gonna grab it. There, replace the hose for be safe, and the reservoir should be better.
Okay.
So
So I should just wait for 3 hours
Yeah.
for that to dry.
press.
Press.
Same thing rather than press it.
Okay, and then refill this.
That's it.
And
Let it
then-
dry and refill it again. Close the top. That's it.
Okay.
And when you change it, make sure check it a couple of times after you replace this.
Yes.
The reservoir, check it, make sure it has water. Just open it for a couple of times when you get cold.
Okay. Okay.
Just top it up, and then it should be good for it.
Okay. Okay. I see. All right. Okay.